I'm NoxLumens, and today we're going to be doing CyberLens. This is a box from TryHackMe, and I think this is the first TryHackMe machine that we're actually doing on this channel. So I'm going to start off and read the prompt, the challenge description. Welcome to the clandestine world of CyberLens, where shadow stands amidst a digital domain and metadata reveals the secrets that lie concealed within every image. As you embark on this thrilling journey, prepare to unveil the hidden matrix of information that lurks beneath the surface. For here at CyberLens, we make metadata our playground. In this labyrinthian realm of cybersecurity, we have mastered the arcane arts of digital forensics and image analysis. Armed with advanced techniques and cutting-edge tools, we delve into the very fabric of digital images, peeling back layers of information to expose the unseen stories that yearn to tell. The unseen stories they yearn to tell. Picture yourself as a modern-day investigator, equipped not only with the technical prowess, but also the keen eye for detail. Our team of elite experts will guide you through the intricate paths of image analysis, where file structures and data patterns provide valuable insights into the origins and nature of digital artifacts. At CyberLens, we believe that every pixel holds a story, and it is our mission to decipher those stories and extract the truth. Join us on this exciting adventure as we navigate the digital landscape and cover the hidden narratives that await us at every turn. Can you exploit CyberLens web server and discover the hidden flags? So just looking a little further down, it says things to note. There's a things to note section, and in there, it's actually telling us to add CyberLens.thm. This cat out of here. CyberLens.thm. There we go. I've got a beautiful cat beside me, and she won't leave me alone. She's putting her head on the mouse. So anyway, let's ignore that for just a second. So it's saying that we need to put this into our Etsy host file. I want to see if our scans come back and show that. If not, that's okay. We'll go ahead and add it in to our Etsy host on our own. Let's just start off. We will go, let's do NMAP, -b- and the IP. Actually, got some verbose flags in there so we can get some output. Those low ports, and we do NMAP, top ports. We can do the top 5,000 ports and add some more verbose output. And we already see stuff coming through. So far we see 80, 135, 445, 139, 445, 3389. So far we're looking at HTTP, SMB, NetBIOS, and WinRM. As far as ports go, we can start doing some directory busing automatically. We can do yes. Getting a lot of 200s in images. JavaScript, images, CS, the WebP file. Let's go look at it, see what happens. Okay. Very funny. Can we just look in here? We can look in the directory. Previous white quote, anything, they're all PNGs, JPEGs. Upper directory. Yeah, okay. About, home, contact. There is upload functionality. See if we can see what's going on with Swapalizer. Windows Server, we knew that. Maybe we didn't know that. I knew that from the ports that were open. I assumed based on ports. Apache web server. See if they've finished. This is still looking, hasn't found anything interesting yet. This has just found 47001. Add that. And let's navigate to it. Nothing. $9.85. Okay. Let's do SC for default scripts, SV enumerate versions. I'm gonna do P for each of these ports. Probably don't need the verbose flag set here, and then we can do output. Actually, let me copy this because I don't want to do this here. We can cd into documents, TryHackMe, CyberLens, clear that out, and then we can do our command NMAP, and then we wanted to output into NMAP format into a file called nmap.md. We'll let this run. So 47001 showed up there. We haven't gotten back the 5985 port. There are more high Windows ports. Okay. 49666, 49668. And we should now also have this nmap.md file. And it'll update as soon as this command completes. Shouldn't take too long if I had to guess. Yeah, there it is already. Let's scroll down. And stop here, and then we'll go ahead and do 3 backticks. I'm gonna call it Python, even though it's not Python, just to make it colorful and easy to see. Let's kind of space these out a little bit. Excellent, and we can get rid of this other junk. There we go. Okay. Let's just take a look at this. So, target name, CyberLens, NetBIOS name, CyberLens. CyberLens unveiling the hidden matrix. And okay, let's go ahead and add sudo nano Etsy hosts. Okay. Actually, that's pretty decent. I need that IP. Okay, so it's gonna be CyberLens.TryHackMe. XY and enter. Let's go. Awesome. And let's do this with CyberLens.TryHackMe. Sometimes this will return additional data. Now, while all of that's running, let's go ahead and check our output here. Images, CS, JS, nothing spectacular off the rip. Yep, okay. ls, remove, Ferox, everything. cd documents, TryHackMe, CyberLens, clear, ls. There, okay. Now we can look at I guess we can check for SMB shares with SMB. SMB client, TAC L, -- I don't have the IP again. Control K to get rid of the end. There we go. And wrong. Access denied. TryHackMe. Password. Is there a V flag? Like, maybe it's debug. List. Oh, quiet. Port name. Version. No pass. Yeah, I don't see anything. We can try with -- list equals CyberLens.TryHackMe and access denied. So no anonymous login. What about the guest account and guest as a password? Okay. NT account is disabled, so the guest account's disabled. Good information. No non-login. Nate 61777. And let's see if this came back with anything. Signing not enabled but required. FP2, SP2, 3. -- 5908 5985. And try maybe T-scan. Which returns nothing. HTTP. Actually, I did not want to do port 80. 47,001. We get a 404 page. Sending a fetch request. Method put into meta. Allow put get server Jetty A.x. What is that? What was that? That was 6177. 61777. Okay. We didn't see anything on 80. Actually, in the back, we did see some stuff on 80, right? That's where this IP came from. Not the IP, but that's where the shell. It's where this link came from. If there are any others in here. And that was the upload function that we saw earlier. Welcome to CyberLens, welcome button. Let's go back up to the top. Contact headers. Out of the body and into the head. And the matrix viewport. Okay. File data. Let's send a get. Method not allowed. It said it was allowed. Send a post. No data. Okay. Open that up. Hachitico 1.17. More information. And then it's giving its information. Detect, stream, detectors, languages, meta types, parsers, parser details, Tika, version. All right, take a little screenshot after I stop highlighting things. We'll add in the pop up there. There we go. We've got some proof, and then let's take a look at this other scan running. I don't think that it returned anything different, but we'll check regardless. Python, get rid of all that junk again. 80, 135, 139, 445, 339, this. Okay. And well, that's all right. That wasn't all of the ports, and this isn't done running yet. We're at 46%. And it's saying we have 18 minutes left. We also have 61777, which we've added in. We can just do that. NMAP, TAC SC, TAC SV, TAC P, 61777. And CyberLens TryHackMe. Okay. I'm just gonna add that to my output. We'll add it to this one. There we go. Okay. I've got that in. I'm going to add it up here actually as well. So let's go back to this page and see what this is doing. Get metadata. Okay. Let's just upload a file. Pictures, Miss Frizzle. Maybe it'll take it. It does. And yes, it just prints out information about the image. Imagine it's the same as if you were to like EXIF tool. EXIF tool. Pictures. And oh hell, I think it's this underscore picture. Nah, it's not. Anyway. It's probably the same. But now we have this. Let's just look up some of these technologies. Achitika 117. Let's just type exploit after. And that's from 2019. Just because it's old doesn't mean that it's not valid. It's just I would like to look up something newer. 2018, 22, 2011, 2021. Let's look at this output real fast. X parsed by. So I'm gonna pull this out. Next entry software screenshot. Okay. Maybe it is. Yeah, okay. Pop this into, what am I on? I'm on 80? Yeah. Upload. Whatever. Parse by TK parser. One sec, let me let the cat out. Okay. Let's look up Tika upload. Expectation and we have something from Rhino. CVE 2018 head command header injection. Let's see. Through steps, disclose CVE for command injection vulnerability and Apache Tika server to lead exploit CVE. Apache Tika breaking down the CVE. Version 1.18 is patched. Version 1.17 is unpatched. They're on 1.17. Doing a side-by-side recursive diff. Private static allow headers patterned. Compiled pattern.compile. Important parts. Since the goal is to find command injection in a header field, And the first result be a code block, which has been added. Got it here. Added in the patch version on a level header characters. It's a pretty good start. Assumption is that there is some kind of patch trying to filter out characters. Here's a description of the function, the code, object, the code set, the key of the HTTP, the name of the HTTP, header X to OCR. This gets converted to a function that looks like set some property and is invoked, passing set some value. You can see this function being used. Input file to meta. If we put it all together for the information. A header that looks like this. Have this command be inserted into the command string. The problem is that it's prepended to another string we cannot control, which ends with a static string tesseract.exe. To fix this, we wrap around our command. To fix this, we wrap our command. We fix this, we can wrap our command we want to execute in double quotes, and Windows will ignore whatever is appended to it after the quotes. Okay. We can give this a shot without reading further into it. And then we're entering a command, I believe. String part, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so they did calc.exe. I'm wondering if it will return something. Are they saying that we need to... Yeah, okay. So we're escaping the inner quotes with the backslashes. Method not allowed. Let's just pop this out. Method not allowed. What is tag T? Curl package. Oh, upload file. Okay. Tag T. We'll do this file again. You know, probably should have read the whole thing. Recommended double quotes, blah, 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 HTTP header and a put request while uploading an image. What returns? What does it return in? See what turns out. You can find the PSC on Rhino's security lab. Man injection, Apache Tika server. Python 2. I guess we can try this. Yeah, let's copy it. Clear ls nano. Actually, let's make a directory. Make dir www. Move www to www. cd into it. And Python 2 exploit. Yes, so it wants CyberLens.TryHackMe port. Is it 60,777? 61,777. 61,777/meta. What am I missing here, son? So it needs to look like that. What is an invalid syntax? This is a skill issue. Let's give this a shot. Send S. Send S. Percent. Host port. Invalid syntax. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but we will see. It's the next URL. The next function. There's it is. It's on that line. Move it. %s. Percent URL. And of course, we're going to have that problem anywhere function resides, I imagine. Okay, let's see if this works. Unexpected indent and try. Okay. I hate this. Okay. Sublime. Some things are tabs, some things are new lines. What is it saying? Expected an indent block. Oh. I didn't see a request at all, so let's try this again. Python 3. What about... Okay, let's curl. Okay, so that works. So let's work for a reverse shell. RL wrap. That cat 80. Okay. Let's try PowerShell reverse shell. Rev shells. And our IP is 10.6.48.143. We're going to do port 80. We're looking for a... We're going to use this one. This base64 encoded PowerShell. Yep. Okay. And we've got our callback. Who am I? We're CyberLens. So that works. Actually, let's, oh man. Yeah, we goofed. We goofed by doing there. Okay, see? Users, dir CD into CyberLens. Dir that. Desktop, dir again. And type user.text. So there is our user flag. Excellent. Excellent. We need to update our notes to include some things. Come on. Okay. So here's our updated code for one. And it is actually Python this time. Python. Exploit.py. We're going to do this CVE. Our CVE was... We'll take this article from Rhino Labs. Post it in there. We'll take... Let's get link. Let's copy the link. And then the CV is 2018 1335. Okay. And it's an RCENA header in version 1.17. 1.17. Okay. Yep. Excellent. So this would need to be edited. Needed to edit the Python script to resolve functions not being implemented in I2. Yep. I have another monitor, and that's what I was looking up. Saw that. Well, it was saying that Python 2 doesn't support F strings. That was implemented in 3. So that's what we resolved there. And there is our exploit. I'm going to say initial access. And we kind of close out this exploit because it's so big. Okay. There we go. What else do I want on here? I want, who am I? ipconfig all. Who am I? There we go. And this as proof that we are who we say we are, and we're on the machine that we say we're on. Okay. Oh man, it doesn't hide it. No. Okay. I was hoping that it would hide the image and just make it smaller. Okay, that's fine. There's our proof anyway. Let's look around. What is PRITUNL? We can actually get rid of a lot of this, yeah. There's another Rhino Labs log. Vulnerable to arbitrary file write. System on Windows. This is due to insecure directory permissions on the data program data folder. The arbitrary file write is then able to be leveraged to full privilege escalation due to privilege print UNL VPN service executing commands to system without specifying a full path. Okay, let's copy this and give this a shot. Sometimes you just need to go with your gut. Okay, so there's our article, and I think I'm actually gonna take this excerpt and put it here. Yeah, there we go. And let's see if they have exact commands on this. Leveraging the file for full privilege escalation. Arbitrary file write at system can be leveraged to gain command execution at system in the following context, the following way. Each time a connection attempt is made using print VPN client, the ipconfig command is called by the print UNL VPN service running a system command line to execute ipconfig. It's done without specifying the full path of the execution because this command is executed in the working directory of C. It's possible to use arbitrary file write vulnerability above to write commands into C program files x86 print UNL ipconfig.bat. Dispatch file will then be executed as system by attempting unite again using the okay. So then we can put command into this file. Let's type it out. See if it exists. Whatever. CDC program files. Get me out of here. What? There we go. CD into program files. What was it? Print UNL. Because it's x86. It's not in here either. Okay. Unless we just can't see it. I don't know why we wouldn't be able to see it. PRIT. Yeah, not there. Okay. Does that work? Private temps. Just looking around. Since that directory wasn't there, and maybe it's somewhere else, and I should be looking for it. PS1 script. To arbitrary file, right? System on Windows is due to insecure directory permissions. Yes, we do know this. It was recently updated by the author of this box. Wow1 client, dev time, C program files, print UNL, ipconfig.bat, and auth user pass NCA, and net user test, secure password 123, add, expires, never. Who's adding a user called test, adding him to the local administrators group, and then adding it to this. So let's just copy this out and see if we can just paste net user. Ooh, it's frozen. Aw, it's frozen. Oh no. Let's try this again. Run that. Should get our call back, and we do. To me, the most interesting bit is that this doesn't exist and this doesn't exist. Secure password. Don't see it, and because I assume that this is the way forward, what I'm going to do is pause this. I'm about to say stream. I'm going to pause this box, and then I'm going to reset the box, thinking that maybe somebody gained root and deleted it. I don't know what's happening, but yeah, I'm gonna give that a shot. There's probably something else that I'm missing here that I'm just not seeing just yet, and I will continue to check for that if this turns out to not be the resolution that I am looking for. Okay, seems like. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to the first script. I'm going to restart again. Let's exit out of this. I'm going to restart again. And we'll see what happens, because right now I'm kind of at a loss. This is the most promising path forward, but it makes me think that maybe there's something wrong with the instance, that the program is not on there installing or something. I don't know. I'm really not sure what's going on, but why would that be there if it didn't exist? They're both Rhino Security Labs. They're both last edited by Tenebrae 93. So it has to be the path forward. So anyway, okay, I'm going to try this again. Okay, seems second. Okay, well, I've restarted several times, so we're gonna go a different route. I'm guessing that it's not actually, or the path forward doesn't have to do with this UNL VPN. So we're gonna go a different way. Let's try. Let's locate power up. PS1. I like docs.g's. Move this version. Move it from there to here. Python 3. There, and then we can go here and go to our IP. Just download it. Once it loads up, come on. .10.6. Oh, come on, bro. Ask me later. Get out of here. Go. We get it. And power up to PS1. Yes. That's fine. Okay. Try this. Let's just download it. Actually, don't we have it? Just drag drop it like I have everything else. I thought it'd be easier to just, we can just drag drop it. We can start util, we get wget. We'll drag drop it. Documents, TryHackMe, CyberLabs, open. We won't. We will copy, paste it. There we go. Might be a me thing. Invoke all checks. You can do it. Don't die. There we go. We have always install elevated, register key, and abuse function. Right user add MSI. Always install elevated. Let's use this. Let's look this up. Windows Prefesc. install elevated is a policy. When it is enabled in GPO, it will create the value always install elevated and set the 0x1 enabled on the following 2 register keys: installer and Windows installer. We can query values. Power up, invoke all checks, always. Yeah, invoke all checks. One Piece might have also found this. We decided to go that route. What we can do, we can check that time machine, exploit, directory. Okay, give this a shot. Obviously, we'll need to edit this. Upload PowerUp.ps1. PowerShell Mafia. So this we need to edit. Zero. Do port 80 probably doesn't really matter. Call it show.msi. Let's call it our name. NoxLumens. We're going to use Windows x64 shell reverse TCP. Okay. Not posting the web. There we go. And then we'll just drag drop. No, we'll copy paste. Might be a special way that we need to run this. Power up GUI. Abuse function, executing the script from disk or directly from memory. We don't need to run it in any special way, is what they're saying. Sure. I believe. We can believe. Oh my goodness. Okay, well that works. CDC. C users, CD administrator. Anyway, cool. Yeah, I fell down a big fat giant rabbit hole. That was interesting. Probably end up speeding up a lot of the dead air because I did spend a lot of time not talking and just searching. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Tyler, excellent box. See you in the next one.